Yeah, we received your new cycling kit, but it's at the post office.
What's up, guys? So I received a package for Gabrielle. It's a gift for her, but we have to go get it, and there's a snowstorm outside, so I will be riding my bike in a snowstorm today.
So I do have really skinny tires and it's fucking slippering. My front tire is not a good choice. I just arrived to the destination. Now I need to lock my bike. This was probably one of the hardest rides I've done in my life. I was basically motocross style almost the whole way, even in straight lines. It was not stable at all. Now I'm about to go inside to go grab the care package. All right, we got the care package. Now time to get back home. Gotta be careful. Don't want to crash and ruin my my cycling season for a stupid package. Shit, man. Plus d'espace, s'il vous plaît. Hein? Un peu plus d'espace, c'est après apprécié là. Vous étiez à l'autre bout du monde là. Ah ouais, c'est ça. Ah ouais.
Ooh.
Gabrielle, we have a new something new for you.
Yes. Neopro turquoise jersey and Neopro navy bibs.
Just open the bag. It's a surprise for you.
Woo!
I basically risked my life for you, Gab, to have this package. I hope you're gonna enjoy it.
It looks pretty nice. Ooh,
That's a nice color.
Yes. It's gonna look good on me. Oh, I have cats that are excited as well.
You got your new kit.
Yes.
How is it?
I think it's good. What do you think?
It looks great. It's a really like budget-friendly kit as well.
The shirt is really good. I feel like it's like all the other ones I have. The only thing is for the bib, it's slightly longer than I'm used to, but the color is nice, the material is nice. It's just that I might be a little too small because it gets to my knees. But still, it's not that bad and it's really fit. I like the colors.
Yeah, the color is really nice.
So I took both in a small.
Do another 360. Another one. Okay, that looks good.
What do you think, little Callie?
We have a new cat. We haven't introduced Flore to the internet.
Hi.
Follow Flore the CMEs on Instagram. It's our new baby.
Alright guys, this is it for today's quick video. So shout out to Neopro Cycling for sending a kit to Gab. I also received a kit. What's different about this brand is that it's super budget friendly. I think the bibs is like $50 and the jersey is like $40. I might do a more breakdown video about those kits and how does it compare to my $300 bibs and $200 jerseys. So there's a lot of difference. This is for sure not my favorite bib and my favorite jersey, but if you take the price in consideration, it's really interesting.
Might be good options for my girlfriends that are starting to cycle and do not want to invest hundreds and hundreds on cute kits.
Alright, this is it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Subscribe if you aren't already for more cycling content. And Gabrielle and I will see you on the road.
Or in the next video.
Alright, peace.